Okay, just removed the cover that covers the housing to the thermostat, which is this. It goes on there like that. Now the whole assembly is exposed. This is the back of the engine of the 3.6 on the 2017 Cadillac XTS. There's the housing right there. It's got 3 bolts. It's got 2 heater coil hoses, 1 and 2, got to be removed. And then it's got another one here that goes into the reservoir, which is that one. And then you got the main one that goes to the radiator. Remove those, and then remove the 3 bolts. Push back on the thermostat housing, clean it up, remove the old one, and then do the reinstallation. There we go. Okay, part 3. Took off all the hoses. Took off the 3 screws that hold the thermostat in place. Had to use several tools. That's what they look like. And back it up. Here it is, guys. This is the thermostat on a 2013-2017 Cadillac XTS. And it looks pretty worn out to me. What do you think, guys? I think it's been on there a little bit too long. There it is, guys. That's what it looks like. No, it was not easy. It was a bitch, but it's off. That's what the housing looks like. I'll take that old gasket off of there. I don't know, the gasket looks better than the one they gave me. There you go, guys. How to remove 2013-2017 thermostat housing. There you go. Of a Cadillac XTS. There you go, folks. Fully assembled. It comes with this little thing right here that this fits in on top of this. You can push down on this and you have to line it up in there. You have to put some pressure on there, but you have to make sure it's in there lined up. Twist it and it'll go inside those little grooves to hold this in place. There's the old one right there. We're good to go, folks. All good. This is how to replace thermostat on housing on 2013, 2017 Cadillac XTS, 3.6 liter. She's finished. Let's just top off. All good. No leaks. Put the covers on, everything. Just turnkey, bro. It's all fucking done. Brand new thermostat, housing. Hope that's the last thing. God dang, I'm tired of this shit. Breaking my fucking back on this car.